the CPI leader D. Raja, the delegations of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee (MPCC) led by Congress Legislature Party (CPL) leader and former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi will meet Congress President Sonia Gandhi this evening in New Delhi. According to reports, the delegates will apprise Sonia of the prevailing situations in the state amid media reports that the decade-long Indo-Naga peace talk will come to conclusions with a final pact soon. National Press Day 2019 is being observed all across the nation today. The Directorates of Information and Public Relations, Government of Manipur also observed the day at the DIPR office located at Nitai Park, Chutek, Imphal. Lamjingba Nidhi Limited today held the first annual meeting of its member and shareholders at Classic Hotel North AOC, Imphal. The meeting was attended by the Managing Director of Lamjingba Group, Vaikom Herojit, Director of Tom TV, Mutum Byron, Branch Manager, Nidhi Limited, Tayin Jam Amarjit, Director Salam Asok, along with members and shareholders. Nidhi Limited also launched a prepaid debit card at the grant event. Monolith of Nampi Lomsong Anglo-Kuki War 1917 to 1919 was unveiled at Churchandpur district of Manipur during a function held this morning. The monolith was erected by New Jalan Village Authority under the directive of Kuki Inpi Manipur in commemorations of the Anglo-Kuki War 1917 to 1919. Nagaland Governor and the Government of India's interlocutor for the Indo-Naga peace talks, R.N. Ravi met with leaders of United Naga Council (UNC) on November 15 and stretched on the need to maintain peace and harmony among the different communities of Manipur state, as per media report. Assistant Professor of Chemistry Department, Imphal College, Dr. R.K. Babita today handed over more than 30 kilograms of used plastic bottles to Devchan Plastic Industry located at Patsoi Part 4. The initiative was an effort to make the best use of plastic waste. All Manipur Press Association Ampa celebrates its 49th Foundation Day today at Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal. Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, MLA of Sekmai constituency H. Dingo Singh, Secretary and Joint Secretary of Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Social Worker Oinam Roman Singh and President of AMPA Sanjem Surjit were on the dais during the celebration. Chanura Microfilm, Manipur organized a one-day interactions program at the Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. The program was attended by Chairman of Chanura Microfilm Manipur N. Harimati Devi and others. The interaction program was held to spread knowledge about the contributions of Chanura Microfilm in improving financial conditions of women at the local level. At least 4 persons died and 3 were injured early today when a boiler exploded at a community kitchen in Sogoli block of Bihar, East Champaran district. As per media reports, the injured have been admitted to a government hospital in Motihari. Travelling by Rajdhani Express, Shatabdi Express and Duronto train will get costlier as the railway board has decided to hike the price of meals on board these trains, which will result in slightly hiked India fares, as per media reports.